How to fix TikTok failed to load user profile on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok failed to load user profile on Android phone. First go to settings and then go to storage, and here you will find clean up, click on it, and now just wait here for this one, junk files or cache, and then just wait for it and then click on it, click here clean up, and after that go to settings and then apps and apps again, and here just type here TikTok, and here we'll find it, click on it. Now go to storage and clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.